Hi there! Today I'm gonna show off sneak peeks of my upcoming game. The last sneak peek was 9 months ago. Yeah, we don't talk about that. But anyways, let's get started. It's time for some developer gameplay. Me and my buddy Jake are working on this game for you guys. I'm planning to release the full game on April. It's gonna be so cool. I know it's gonna be worth the wait and worth the time. And then I can finally focus on the secret ending. And when that's done, I will work on chapters 2, 3, 4, 5, That's not supposed to happen. Oh, well, as I was saying, I will focus on other chapters and maybe even other seasons. And no, I'm not milking this series. This is how deep the story goes. But as you can see in this gameplay, this is still a whippy. This part of the game is like the last task. But I think you guys saw this part in one of my shorts. The difference between that video is that there was no walls, but unlike this one has. Also, I'm gonna say this now that again, this game takes a lot of inspiration from Poppy Playtime and I guess FNAF. See the difference? Wait, what the hell? What are you doing here? You too. Well, their names will be revealed in a video where you can meet each character. Now, as you see here, this is called a testing lab where they experiment on kids, taken from Poppy Playtime. Now, I didn't added that for no reason, I added that for a purpose. But I'm not gonna spoon feed you, you'll just need to find it out. Of course, when the game comes out. Now take a look at this map. Pretty good, eh? I feel like this is pretty cool. I'm still working on it, so it's probably gonna take a month.